Hey guys, welcome to the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if the clock app is not working correctly. So by default, it's a default app on your phone. Sometimes maybe the clock, one of the features doesn't working, the app isn't opening, it's crashing, or if you set alarm or even a timer, it's not going off, or even the stopwatch. Here's a couple things that you want to do to quickly resolve this issue. So let's get started. So very first thing whenever this happens is I like to close out the app itself by just simply closing it out and relaunching it. So you're going to slide up if you have the app open, just simply close it out and all the other apps that you have so that it's clear, and then you're going to reopen it and relaunch it. Hopefully it's quick as that and it fixes your problem. The next thing you're going to do if you're having issues is you're going to do a forced restart. So in order to do a forced restart, you're going to press and release the volume up and then press and release the volume down, and then hold the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears. At that time, you'll let go of that button and your phone will do a forced restart. So volume up, volume down, and then I hold the side button just like that. And if for some reason Siri activated, that means you didn't press volume up and down quick enough. So make sure you press volume up followed by volume down and then hold that side button. And you're going to keep on holding that side button, just pressing it down until this Apple logo reappears, and then you'll let go of that button. And what we have done is essentially shut down the phone completely and having it reload the code so that if there is a software related issue impacting your apps, such as the clock app, it will resolve those issues for you. Now this method is pretty safe. You won't lose any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps, anything like that. It's just simply reloading the code again. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you can try to do to resolve the issue if you're still having a problem is seeing if there's an update available for the app. Most of the default apps don't have an update, but if they do, you can go to the App Store, go to the search feature here, and then you're going to search for the clock app. And then if you search for it, you should see right here one of the very first options here from Apple is the clock app, which says open. That means it's already installed. Now, if you have that open option, that means it's already up to date. But in a case that it wasn't up to date, I'll show you an app that needs to be updated. So if I go over here, for example, this one, Amazon shopping app, right? If it needs to be updated, there's going to be that update button. In the scenario that it doesn't have an update, you're just going to click on to update. But if you don't have an update, you can move on to the next thing, which is going to be going to deleting and reinstalling the clock app itself. So in order to do that, you're going to press and hold, and then you're going to click on remove app, delete app, and then delete the app. And after you have deleted it, we're going to go back to the App Store, and then we're going to reinstall it again by searching up the app. So search up clock, and then once you search it up, again the same one, you should see like a cloud with the down arrow. We're going to click on that and it should install just like that. And now we have installed it. Now on your phone, you want to locate where it's at. So very first time for you to do this, if you want to go to the very last page, most likely in the app library under recently added, it should show up. What you can do is press and hold, and then you click on the option to add to home screen, and then you can navigate it around by pressing and holding and then putting it back to the original place. So in our case, it was right here, wherever you prefer. And hopefully after doing that, your clock app is working. Now, even after you've done that and the clock app still isn't working, the next thing you want to go ahead in your settings here, you're going to go to general, and then under date and time, you want to ensure that the date and time matches up exactly the current time that you have in your local zone. And this happens if you're traveling and the phone doesn't update to the right date and time. You can set it manually by turning off automatically and then set the time zone, but preferably you want to keep it automatically set, but ensure that the time is correct and the date as well. After you have done that, it's still not working. The next thing to do in your settings is going to general here. Now going all the way down here, it says transfer reset iPhone, and then click on the first option for reset. And the reset that we're going to do is the very first one, which is reset all settings. Now the reset all settings will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will still be there. What it will do is reset things like network related settings, so any saved Wi-Fi password, Bluetooth devices you'll have to reconnect again, any keyboard dictionary that you have added, any custom home screen layout will get reset to original, and then again any settings are around a location and privacy. Now all settings related reset. This will not delete any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps, anything like that. Now after you have done that, it's still not working. The very last thing you can do is pretty much update your phone to the latest software version. In order to do that, you're going to be in settings, general software update, and if there's an update available, it will show up like this, and it says download and install. You'll click on and download and install. Give yourself half an hour to 45 minutes. Make sure you're a good Wi-Fi or cellular data, as these updates usually take some time. And after you update it, hopefully if the previous update has issues, the latest update fixes those issues for you, and the clock app is now working for you on your iPhone. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.